In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a video background in Canva. First, let's remove the background of this video. Just select the video, then go to the top toolbar and click this BG Remover tool. Next, add a photo or video as the new background. You can do it by choosing photo or video from the Elements tab, or you can also upload your own files from your computer. For this demonstration, I'll just use this video. After that, right-click the video, then choose Set Video as Background. Then you can just adjust the size and positions of the first video to make it look better. Now let's click this play button to see the final result. And that's how you change a video background in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.